Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through 4 of the most precise machine learning indicators that can seriously boost your trading success. And believe me, you're going to love the last one. Not only that, I'll also show you how to turn any of them into a fully automated trading bot with alerts in less than a couple of minutes. These tools will get you on the fastest track to becoming a profitable trader. Imagine being able to predict market movements with incredible accuracy using the latest in machine learning technology. I'm going to dive into each of these cutting-edge AI indicators, explaining how they work, why they stand out, and how you can use them to not just follow, but actually forecast market trends. Let's kick things off with our first indicator, Optimal RSI by Yin Yang Algorithms. This AI-based RSI indicator is significantly more effective than the traditional version. It evaluates multiple RSI lengths to find the most profitable one within a look-back period, then applies machine learning for enhanced accuracy. The optimal RSI smooths out and optimizes RSI readings, making it more reliable. For practical use, look for RSI crosses that are preceded by oversold or overbought conditions for more reliable signals. Moving on to the simple neural network transformed RSI by Quantra Systems. This indicator is a game changer for those trading in shorter time frames. It uses a neural network to smooth out RSI readings, making it more resistant to market noise and providing clearer signals for quick market movements. It's especially effective for scalping in cryptocurrencies and forex. To get the most out of this indicator, play around with the settings, focusing on the NNT smoothing length and standard deviation extremes. Combining this with trend-following indicators can enhance its effectiveness. Next up is the AI Adaptive Money Flow Index by Algo Alpha. This tool combines traditional money flow index analysis with cutting-edge K-means clustering. It adjusts overbought, neutral, and oversold levels based on current market conditions, providing a more dynamic view than traditional indicators like RSI or stochastic. By analyzing historical money flow index values and grouping them into clusters, it refines the traditional levels and adapts in real time. This method enhances decision-making and trading strategies with a nuanced understanding of market trends and volume. Before getting into the last indicator, if you found these machine learning indicators as exciting as we do and want to see strategies build upon each and every one of them, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow traders who might benefit from these insights. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now let's explore the machine learning multiple logistic regression by Van Helsing. This tool is a powerhouse leveraging multiple technical indicators like RSI, CCI, DMI, Rune, EMA, and Supertrend as input variables for the logistic regression model. These indicators are normalized to form categorical variables, ensuring a consistent scale for the model. The logistic regression model then predicts a binary outcome probability. Values near 1 suggest a bullish signal, while values closer to 0 indicate a bearish one. You can tweak the indicator settings to fine-tune its accuracy. For instance, setting the z-score length higher, like at 100, makes signals less frequent but more reliable. You can also customize the input variables, but the default settings usually work well. Candlestick bars are signed values where bullish momentum is marked as 1, bearish is 0, and neutral as somewhere in between. For instance, a sell signal on a low momentum candle should be disregarded. Overall, this is a fantastic indicator to test out. All right, let's dive into how we can turn these tools into powerful assets that will fire off successful trades with lightning speed and precision. All right, here's your reward for sticking around. Check out the recommended videos on your screen. You'll find out how to turn any trading strategy into a bot with alerts, and it's all free. Also, if you want me to make individual videos cooking the best strategies for each of the indicators I've mentioned, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Plus, there's one more video you definitely don't want to miss. Thanks for watching and happy trading.